Brother's wedding yesterday. Everyone enjoyed. I couldn't. I just wanted to fade away. Baldness feels like. Doctor said Sapphire for front area. Not hiding behind caps. Not running away from cameras. Brother's wedding yesterday. Everyone enjoyed. I couldn't. Smiling outside. But every photo felt uncomfortable. Bald head, stares, jokes. I just wanted to fade away. Whole night no sleep. Sat alone in the dark, thinking, why should I live like this? I'm tired of pretending I'm okay. I'm tired of avoiding mirrors. I need to do something for myself. Scrolling phone like always. Numb. Suddenly saw a Max Hair Clinic video in the YouTube. Real people, real change. Something clicked. I kept watching, then searching, then reading reviews like a mad guy. Walked into the clinic with fear stuck in my throat, but felt strangely comfortable, like they actually understood what baldness feels like. Doctor said Sapphire for front area. I saw a picture of how it would look. My heart felt light. Surgery day. Hands shaking, but I wanted this so badly. 6,000 follicles, planted one by one, surprisingly painless. Music playing. I was smiling without even knowing. Today, I feel alive, not hiding behind caps, not running away from cameras. Freedom, that's the word. Thank you, Max Hair Clinic, for giving me my life back.